Hello guys, we are from group 5. In this video, we will talk about the famous short story The Necklace by Guy de Maupassant, which was published in a newspaper in 1884 with the original French title La Parure. Let's just listen to the story. The Necklace is a short story written by Guy de Maupassant, and it's about a woman named Mathilde Loisel. She is beautiful but not rich. In fact, she lives a simple life with her husband, Monsieur, a low-paid government clerk. But Mathilde always dreamed of luxury, fancy clothes, sparkling jewelry, and being admired by everyone. One day, her husband brings home an invitation to a fancy party. Instead of being excited, Mathilde gets upset because she has nothing nice to wear. Her husband sacrificed his savings to buy her a dress, but still she feels incomplete without jewelry. So she borrows a diamond necklace from her rich friend Madame Forestier. At the party, Mathilde is the star of the party. Everyone in the party notices her. She feels like she was in the world she had dreamed of all this time. But when she gets home, the problems come and the necklace is gone. To attempt to tell her friend the truth, she and her husband borrow a huge amount of money to replace it. They spend the next 10 years living in poorness, working hard to pay off the debt. In the end, Mathilde meets her friend again and finally tells her the truth. That's when she finds out the original necklace was fake. It cost no more than a few hundred francs. So Mathilde spent her life for nothing. There is a message we can take from this story, which is to be honest and don't let the pride control your choices. Pretending to be someone you are not can cost more than it does, and sometimes the things we value most aren't even real. So live with what we have.
After listening to the story tale, we will discuss the elements of prose contained in the story, The Necklace. The first is the setting of place. There are several places in the story, namely in the city of Paris, simple house, modern party at the ministry, and jewelry store. Then, the setting of time is on Monday evening, January 18th. On the next slide, we will discuss the characters in the story. First, Mathilde Loisel. She is a beautiful woman who feels that her life is not according to destiny. She dreams of becoming rich, but fate says otherwise. Second, Monsieur Loisel. He is an understanding, simple husband who loves his wife very much. He is willing to sacrifice his savings to make his wife happy. Third, Madame Forestier. She is Mathilde's friend, who unwittingly causes problems. She lends Mathilde a fake necklace, but Mathilde doesn't know it. On the next slide, we will talk about the point of view of the story. This story uses third-person point of view. The narrator does not appear directly in the story as a character, but narrates events from outside the character. The narrator uses pronouns such as he, she, they, and the names of the characters.
Next, we talk about plot structure. This story uses a forward plot, meaning the story develops chronologically, from beginning to the end without any flashbacks. With the following structure, the first is talk about exposition. Mathilde had a simple life, but she dreamed of becoming a rich woman. This part shows us who the main character is and what she desires. Although Mathilde lives an ordinary life, she always believed She was born for something greater, luxurious and elegant. This is the unrealistic dream becomes the root of her problems. The second is recent action. She borrowed a necklace for a party. The story is conflicts begin here. Mathilde borrows a necklace from her rich friends to look beautiful at the party. She is too focused on appreciate and want to be seen as someone she is not. And second is climax. The necklace she borrowed was lost. The turning point happens when Mathilde lost the necklace. This is where everything starts to fall apart. Instead of being honest, she chose to hide the truth and replace the necklace without telling her friend. The fourth is falling action. They have a debt and have to pay it by working for 10 years. As a result of their decision, Mathilde and her husband enter a life full of hardship. That's because they spent 10 years working hard to pay for the replacement just because she couldn't admit the truth. The last is resolution. The missing necklace is a fake. This ending is both shocking and sad. After 10 years of suffering, they learn that the necklace was a fake and not even valuable. This moment reflects the central irony of the story and gives a powerful lesson about the pride and honesty. Next, we move to the themes. The story carries the strong themes like pride, dissatisfaction, regret, and reality of life. Mathilde is unhappy, not because she is poor, but because she compares herself to rich people and dreams of a life she cannot afford. We have two example sentences to show the themes. The first is she suffered ceaselessly, feeling herself born for all the delicacies and all the luxuries. Second is she had no dresses, no jewels, nothing, and she loved nothing but that. She felt mad for that. This is show that Mathilde's suffering come from her mindset, not for her real condition. She wanted luxurious so badly that she forgot how to appreciate her real life. The last is about message. The necklace story teaches us that trying to appear rich or better than we are can lead to unnecessary pain. Mathilde is a decision to borrow the necklace and hide the truth chose her and she husband for 10 years of their lives. In the end, she learned a hard lesson, like pretending and dishonesty can destroy lives, while honesty could have saved her from years of the suffering. It also reminds us that small decisions can have a big consequences, and that how we choose to deal with our mistake is the more important than how to others see us.